Ready to make your images look amazing when laser engraved? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to prep and export an image for laser engraving using Luma-Loft. To kick things off, open the Tools menu to reveal your options. Then, select the Laser Engraving Prep feature. This is your starting point for preparing an image for precision engraving. Next, upload your image by clicking in the Upload area, then just pick your file from the Files Explorer. Once your image is loaded, open the aspect ratio drop-down and choose your preferred option. Here, we're selecting the square, 1:1 format. Next, use the corner radius slider if you want to add rounded corners or even crop your image into a circle. Now, click the crop button to confirm your selection. Adjust the width and height to match your precise engraving dimensions for maximum accuracy. Then, click the Recrop button. This reapplies the crop to achieve those perfect dimensions. For best results, expand the Material Presets menu and select the material you intend to use, such as wood, acrylic, slate, and so on. In this example, we chose the Luma Balance preset under the wood presets. This setting is optimized to ensure your image engraves well onto the selected material. Next, you can use the basic adjustment sliders to fine-tune your results if needed. Once you're satisfied, click the Export button. You're almost finished. Download the PNG directly to your computer, and pay attention to the notification confirming your file is ready to go. Now, if you want to explore more advanced finishes, check out the Dithering Presets menu. You can search for a specific type, and when you find a preset like Slate Standard, simply select it for optimal engraving results. Export your finished file one last time and download the PNG. When your review is finished, close the preview window. You're done. Now you know exactly how to prep and export the perfect image for laser engraving in Luma-Loft. For more tips and tutorials, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss out.